Good evening, everybody. How are you guys doing? Let me see some love in the chat right now. Good evening, everybody. How are you on this evening? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I love to see it. Who is in the building on tonight? I see Alabama is here. Hi, everybody. The Bahamas is in the building. Hi, everybody. Good evening. How are you? Good evening. How are you doing? I see y'all. Hey, everybody. So I want to give y'all, before we get started on this evening, okay, there y'all go. Iowa, St. Louis, Missouri, Las Vegas, Philly, North Carolina in the building, Houston, Texas, Ontario, Canada, New Zealand, Spain is here. Okay, San Diego, California is here. The United Kingdom, I see y'all. What's up? Jamaica's in the building. Big up yourself. St. Kitts, Mexico. Let them know how we do. Navajo Nation, welcome. DC, you guys can't see me. Please let me know if you can see me. Everybody should be able to see me. Hello, hello, Trinidad and Tobago, I see you. What's up? No, y'all can't see me. Okay. Y'all can hear me, but you can't see me. I wonder why. I'm not sure. Can't you see in a black screen? Settings. My camera's on, guys. My camera is not uncovered. I look live to myself. All right, let's see. I am in the stream, y'all. Can y'all see me? Not exactly sure. Hold on one second. Ay. Let me get on YouTube and make sure I'm seeing what y'all are seeing. Hold on one second. I'm seeing myself, but y'all are not seeing me. Hold on one second. Okay, I see black screen. Okay, I see the black screen. Start camera. I don't know why that's happening. There we go. Everybody see me now? I see myself now. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm sorry. I had to disconnect. It was disconnected. How's everybody doing? There we go. All right. Perfect. There we go. All right. So I want to give some quick updates before we get started, as I knew that we would have a lot of people on tonight. Shout out to all of y'all for taking your time out on this evening. I do want to give some quick updates about TTA. Okay, so this is our website, tradeauthority.com. You guys, make sure that you are part of our free community. And what I want to do is kind of go over a few things that I added today. So those of you that are not yet in the Trade Authority, I want y'all to make sure that y'all are in. But there's so many new things that I added on today that I'm very excited about. So I want to share that with you really quickly, and then we'll jump into the content. Fair enough? So, all right. All right. So, with that being said, you guys, I just want you to take a look at our website, thetradeauthority.com. If you share this link with anybody, you can pretty much get started here where it says join the free community, or the running banner where it says join the free community. Either which way, these places will take you to our home. Now, I added some new stuff in here, y'all. So if you're not yet inside, I'm showing you the inside. I just jam packed our free course. Y'all put some fire emojis in the chat because our free course is off the chain. I added so much content today about the free course. I gave you free resources that some of y'all have never seen before, breaking down the different trading platforms, how to get it, whether you use my link or you use Ryan's link. I added a video on how to submit your homework from TradingView, how to use your iPhone, Android, MacBook. I'm going to have a new desktop video coming. I have an article on why traders fail. Me and Ryan did a 6-figure trading mindset call 2 years ago, still fire. Added that in there. One of the most read books by traders, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. That's in there. There's also a free book I added in here called Forex for Beginners by Anna Calling. Awesome book. I have my personal instructions on how to get started with trading. Content I did last week, you guys, is in there, and I have another class coming on Tuesday. And then I break down your basics, your terms, your hours of trading, your trading strategies, different order types, lots, currency quotes, and pit values. A lot of this content is like pictures, like things that you can save. Things I wish I had when I first started trading to actually show you the different currency values and stuff like that. So all of this is in here. I just jam packed it in, right? So we have the major currency pairs. Again, I'm going to make video content on all of this. I just wanted you to have some resources as you get started trading. We have the currency pairs and sessions. I'm going to make this look a little bit prettier, but I wanted to make sure every single day that I'm on this platform that you get something from me. Fair enough. So technical analysis, you guys, the different chart types. I have a student who actually messaged me and she was like, Coach Max, I don't understand support and resistance. So I'm a visual learner, you guys. So I wanted to add visuals on every concept in here so that you can see it with your eyes. So when you go to the chart, right, you're not confused. So there is those basic concepts that some of us may need to back up to, like key levels. I know this is something that we all been struggling with when support turns into resistance, but to have the visual as a reference is absolute fire. So I'm super excited about that. I'm adding some trend line source in here today to show you what's valid, what is not, when the trend is going down, when the trend is going up, when it's in both directions, right? Because we know the market moves in 3 directions. I'm giving y'all some free sauce. Can y'all put some fire in the chat right now? I hope that y'all are sharing this platform, because guess what I just did for y'all today? Today, I went in and I changed the featured section. So today I went in and I actually created a video, okay, to break down the entire platform, y'all. I went in there and I made this video. You guys can click on it right now. Okay, it's 10 minutes and it breaks down the entire platform, how to use it, how to go in there and how to set up posts, how to set up your profile, how to attach things to your profile, how to use the topics. I went and I broke down the entire TTA platform. So I'm just letting y'all know, okay, just letting y'all know it's lit over here. Okay, we're excited, we're ready. All right, so y'all make sure y'all check out the announcements. While I have everybody here, Ryan and I will be streaming a lot more on YouTube. So with that being said, I want to reveal something to you guys right now, okay, that I've been waiting to show y'all. All right, our YouTube channel is here. All right, so real quick, I want y'all to check it out. All right, let's go, y'all. I am excited. So y'all make sure y'all go to the Trade Authority YouTube channel. The next time we stream live, will be on that channel. This is the last time that we're streaming on Ryan's channel. So I'm super excited. Like, seriously. Before we get started on tonight, I'm just letting y'all know I have never been so excited in all of my life. And we're gonna get started with, I see y'all saying, y'all subscribe. Somebody said it's the elevation for me. It's a bop. Let's go. It's dope. I got something even more dope for y'all. I want to see more sauce in the chat real quick. More sauce in the chat because I got something else for y'all. That's not all. So not only is the platform up and running, the app is working flawlessly. The YouTube channel is up and running. We got something else for y'all tonight. Oh, and class. We still have class. But we got something else for y'all tonight. Are y'all ready for it? More sauce, more sauce, more sauce, more sauce. Y'all ready? All right. So, for the first time ever, okay, I want you guys to take a look at your founders, Coach Max and Ryan DeFreitas, the founders of the Trade Authority platform. Let's look at it. Let's go, y'all. I'm super excited. I see the chat is going crazy. I see y'all. This is the type of time we're on. In 2022, let's go. I'm super excited. Like we said, you know, let TTA be the last time that you got to go to a platform, the last stop of trading. Super excited. They love it. They love it, right? What's up? What's up? What's up? Do you see
What's up, y'all?
Comments right now? Do you see the comments right now?
I see it.
The people are excited. They're fired up. Did y'all love the video? Did y'all love the launch? That's the official launch video of TTA. Yes. That commercial's lit, y'all.
They liking it?
Yes. They said the hairs on my arm stood up. Oh my goodness. I feel like y'all need to see the video again. Like I feel like I feel like I need to see the video one more time. One more time, y'all. We got to do an instant replay. We got to do an instant replay for the commercial because they need to see it one more time because I think it was moving kind of fast.
It was moving too fast, though.
It was, somebody said, what? I knew you were going to come through with the fire. Hold on, wait. I think the commercial was moving too fast. So hold on, one more time. Instant replay. Let's go. Bible study at church, we're going to have Bible study at I love it. I love it. All right. Well, at this time, you guys, I'm going to actually turn it over to my other half, my co-founder, my best friend. Y'all already know the GOAT himself, Ryan DeFreitas, is on the line. Let's go.
What is up, y'all? How y'all doing? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the new and improved? Okay. Everybody's here.
Yes.
Everybody is here, man.
They are.
They are here. What is up, y'all? Let me see. All right. So, hold on. I actually have to screen share really quick. I got y'all. I'm just going to share my screen. No. All right.
They said they need a copy of the commercial. It'll be on the Trade Authority YouTube channel by tonight, you guys.
Okay. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, we can.
What is up, y'all? All right. So, of course, the Trade Authority is here with our first masterclass. Thanks to y'all because we got over 1,000 members. Literally in our pre-launch, the first couple of days, we already have 1,000 people.
Correct.
So what we're gonna do, y'all, right, is once we hit 2,500 people, we're gonna do another masterclass for y'all.
Correct.
Okay? So let's begin. Let's get on track with doing what we got to do. So, of course, I'm one of your hosts, Ryan DeFreitas, right? Ryan Grinds, and my business partner, as y'all know, Miss Coach Max. All right. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's go. All right. So what are the 10 trading commandments? It's an interesting concept, isn't it? Right? It's a very interesting concept. Now, for those of y'all who aren't super religious or understand or know the story of the 10 commandments, let's rewind a little bit. Okay? Because this story was about Moses, right? Getting statements from God himself in a mountain, right? So he led the people, right? He was leading the people and got these commandments that the people should live by, right? Because he walked in faith. Now, Max and myself have done the work for y'all. Someone's going to hear me. We've done the work. We know what it takes to get you successful. We know what it takes to get you profitable. We know what it takes to increase your tax bracket. But do you have faith? Okay? So we're going to give you rules that you should abide by when you're trading. And they're going to hit real hard for y'all. Okay? Do you hear me? So a set of rules that you should listen to if you truly want to become a consistent and profitable trader in the Forex market. Do y'all hear me? Are y'all ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Number 1, always follow your trading plan. Before you take a trade, you must structure. Y'all ain't listen. We're going to preach tonight.
Yes.
You must structure and organize a trading plan.
Right.
If you fail to plan, you what, family? You plan to fail. Stop taking trades immediately if you do not have a proper trading plan. Stop being lazy about it. Some of y'all are blowing accounts or losing money hand over fist every single week, and it's because you have no direction. Trading without a plan is the same as driving without a final destination. It's like going in your car and you put in the GPS, I don't know.
Right.
Okay? You get in the car, you gas it up, you're ready to go somewhere, and you don't even know where you're going.
Right.
If you don't know how to create a trade plan, we will show you by the end of the presentation.
Correct. Man, next slide. People don't know how important that is. Really, really important. So, number two, you guys, is always respect the market at all times. One of the things that a lot of people know me for is this being one of the most consistent traders out here in the space, because I don't really derive from my trading plan, number one, but there's certain things that you have to do. You can't go into the market thinking that you're going to beat the market up and you're going to tell the market what to do. That's not how this thing works. So number one, you always have to check for news before engaging in trades. We know that Friday, for example, was NFP. We don't trade that, right? So we want to be aware of what we're getting into before we get into it. So I like to look at checking the news, like stepping outside, okay, real quick, putting your hand outside and seeing what the temperature is. Am I going to put my jacket on or not? Right? Do I need a hat? Do I need a scarf before I jump outside? The same thing as jumping into the market. We do not trade, okay, during high volatile news. Absolutely not. So one of the resources is actually in TTA already under topics is forexfactory.com, and we're going to teach you how to use this resource on a day-to-day basis. Again, stop trading during NFP. I don't understand some of y'all do stuff that me and Ryan don't do. I don't understand it.
I don't either, sis.
But we're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna address that later. Do not trade at market close. So the market closes at 5 p.m. Eastern, and usually the market will stop moving. So imagine you over here chasing trades at the end of the day, and the broker just stops on you and opens up and spikes. Right. And then now you done lost money you didn't have to lose to begin with, right? Only trade your pairs based off the time that fits your schedule. Anybody that's been in any of my training for the past 2-3 years knows that this is key for me. Time interval is important, right? Once you know what time to get into the market, once you know how and when that pair moves, then you're going to be 50% ahead of the game already. The resource is already shared. It's in the topic section in TTA, okay, called Trading Resources, www.forexfactory.com. All right. The last thing here is back test your pairs frequently so that you can master your edge in the market. Let me tell y'all something. I am a master trader. That should be at the top of somebody's page right now. I have already mastered this. I spend time with my pairs. Okay. I'm in bed with my pairs. I make love to my pairs. Yes. I sleep with my pairs. I wake up with my pairs. Okay. I'm in my car with my pairs. I trade with my pairs. That is how close we are. And that requires you to do some form of back testing. You understand what I'm saying? That requires you to be on your charts often if you want to master the skill.
Okay. Number 3, do not overtrade. Okay. The reason I have this picture is because y'all like a thief in the night. All right. You think you're going to get some money real quick and bounce, and karma's not going to hit you in the butt. Wrong. Okay. Do you enjoy profits or greediness? Okay. You cannot have both in the market. You have to pick one. All right. Greed is the single greatest hurdle to becoming a profitable trader, y'all. The biggest hit, okay, that I've seen with most of my students, and I'm sure Max can agree, is the greed.
The greed.
Okay. It's not the charts. It's not, that you're over leveraging like crazy, or you're trading certain pairs. The fact that it matters, you want to make way too much money
too fast,
way too quickly.
Yes.
Way too quickly. And that all stems back to what we said in the first commandment, making a trade plan. Okay? Because you actually get a lot more greedy when you don't have a plan.
It's like Ryan. It's like, a couple years ago when I came out with 20 pips and dip,
Right.
Listen, y'all, it's not 20 pips and hold. Like,
Facts.
that's not what the text says. Okay?
Right.
It's 20 pips and get out.
So
Okay?
once you properly understand that the same patterns happen repeatedly in the market year after year, your attachment to greed will slowly disappear, y'all. I promise you. I promise you. Over trading, to me, and I know to Max, is a market sin. Okay? Nothing fruitful will come from always wanting more and not appreciating what you already have. Let me give y'all an example. You're up 20 pips. You're up $500, but you think it's going to go 30, 40 pips. You hit your goal for the day. Maybe you up 5%, 30%, 10% of your account. And then the market reverses, hits your stop loss, or takes away your profit. What is that, y'all? Put in the chat.
Greed.
Greed. Okay? Instead of you saying, yo, I hit my goal for the day, I'm out, I don't care about the rest of the money. No, you want more. And I'm trying to tell you, you guys have to protect your account at all times and protect your trade plan at all times, knowing that once you hit your goal, you're done for the day. Okay, let's keep it moving.
Oh, this is real good right here. Number 4 is cut your losses quickly. You know, oftentimes people have this psychological effect in their mind that they struggle with letting the trade go. Some of y'all, you know, will sit there and literally be inside the market and literally watch your money go away all the way down to zero.
Yes.
And blow that account instead of just cutting the trade off. You understand what I'm saying? So this commandment is very simple and straightforward. When you are in a losing trade, instead of adding more positions, and what really should say here, instead of adding more positions to make more money, and instead of holding on to that trade, close it out, wait for a better entry or re-entry for that trade. Professional traders do this all the time. We know how to cut our losses quickly. I'm sorry, but I'm not about to hold on to a losing trade.
Right.
Okay.
What you doing holding on to GJ negative 150 pips? Please.
I'm confused.
Please let me know. Why are you still holding on to a trade that's negative 150 pips, saying, oh, it's going to come back.
It's coming back.
What go up must go down. What go down must go up. Looking. You know what?
So we are not scared as traders to admit temporary defeat in the market. And typically, most of the time when I cut a loss, I'm already practicing proper risk management anyway. So it's not like, you know, hurting my account. Right. So stop adding additional positions to losing trades. It's always better to reset yourself as a trader. This is the best thing you can do for yourself. Reanalyze the chart to make sure that you're seeing structure, you're seeing your channel, you're seeing your trend. You're making sure that you wait until the market pulls back and comes to you, right? If you made a wrong decision, it's okay. Wait, have patience. The only losses in Forex are the trades that you do not learn from. Some of y'all been trading too long to keep making this mistake.
Okay. So you know I came with the pictures today. Yeah, you right? Yeah. I'm in here. Yeah. Oh, y'all laughing right now. I can feel it. I can feel the energy right now. But listen, y'all know how, you know, back in the day with the nuns, they used to beat the kids and the students with the ruler. That's what me and Max have to do to y'all right now. Okay? Because we have to get y'all in alignment with the type of traders and the profitability that you want to actually have this year. Right? And so this is actually going to be one of the biggest things, one of the biggest commandments that you're going to need to elevate your trading. Okay? So we're really going to spank you. Okay? Seriously. Discipline over profits. Okay? It's probably the biggest lesson for myself that I had to learn, y'all. That took me from a 5-figure trader going to a 6-figure trader, right? Like having my first 6-figure month. You know what the biggest transition, the only thing that really shifted for me, I got disciplined in my trade management. I got disciplined in my plan. That was the biggest shift for me. So that's why we're very imperative in telling y'all it's about the discipline. Anything worth achieving in life requires a level of discipline, and trading isn't an exception.
Mm.
Do y'all hear me? Okay. When I hit my goal / profit for the day, I am done for that specific session.
Right.
Okay. So when I hit my goal, I close my charts. I go about my day. I said, I'm going to catch the next session. And sometimes I have students like, oh, I'm holding. I don't care. Okay. They say,
I'm
oh,
done, but
right. They're like, I'll
you
catch
just
my
want.
20 pips on AU. They're like, oh, I'm holding it. AU's going to go up to 50 pips. I don't
Yeah.
care.
Right.
Okay. All right. Stop worrying about how much money you could have made.
Mm.
Do y'all understand? Y'all feel me? Okay. If you want more discipline in your trading, then add more discipline in your life.
Yes.
Do y'all hear me?
Yes.
Let's give them some examples, Max, right? Eating healthier, reading daily, maybe doing a little workout every day, maybe
Mm-hmm.
praying or meditating daily, maybe waking up early every day. These are just all small exercises. But let me tell you, exercising discipline is like exercising a muscle.
Yes,
The
it
more
is.
you do it, the better you're going to get at it. And you have to start with the small things, not
Mm.
the big things, right? And you need discipline as a trader. How are you going to be undisciplined in life, but disciplined as a trader? Max, help me
It,
answer me.
it,
How?
it
How?
doesn't
How?
it doesn't work. You know, if
Okay.
you guys take a look at the way that Ryan and I move, especially those of you that physically were in person at my conference last week, we had a schedule. We
Mm,
got up, we started moving, we had a healthy meal, then we got to work,
mm,
right? And there was a time where we were in prayer. There's just a certain routine when you hit a certain level of income that successful people follow. You understand what I'm saying? I can't say that I'm trying to hit a specific financial goal and in my personal life it's in chaos. That does
mm,
not work.
mm. Okay, someone heard you.
Number 6, okay? Take good risk to reward trades. Now, this is very, very interesting to me because there's a lot floating around the internet right now with
Yes.
profits
Mm,
that don't have good risk to reward. Just because you won that trade doesn't mean that it had good risk to reward. Actually, if that trade would have went left, it would have cost you more money,
right.
okay, than you staying in the trade and actually winning. So stop thinking about that 100 pips a day is necessary to become successful in this industry. Yeah, how did I get to 6 figures? Was it 100 pips a day?
Mm,
No, it was actually 20 pips per trade. Making 20 pips is more than enough pips to become successful, y'all, and a consistent trader. When you have proper risk management with a good risk to reward on your trades, then you immediately put yourself in position to win long term. I want y'all to hear that again. When you have proper risk management with a
right.
good risk to reward on your trades, then you immediately put yourself in position to win long term. Now you can take possible losses along the way without drastically hurting your account. My
Right.
whole thing is if you do take a loss, it shouldn't blow your account. That if it's
Right.
blowing your account, that means that you're doing something wrong and
Right.
that you're aiming for risk to reward that you're not ready for, right?
Mm,
Getting good risk reward ratios on a consistent basis is the foundation to elevating your game as a professional trader. Take this very seriously. This is the difference between you managing $100 million
mm,
or you trading $100 account as an amateur.
mm.
This right here.
Okay.
You
So
can
let
talk.
me let me go over the chart just so you guys can see, right? And the PR stands for payoff ratio, but can also be used as the R to R, risk to reward ratio. Okay. But I just want to show you guys, right? With a standard 1-to-1 risk to reward, meaning we're risking, let's say, 10 pips to make 10 pips, right? We have a 10
Or
pip stop.
$10 to make $10.
Right. We're risking $10 in the market to make $10 in the market, right?
Right.
All you have to be is 55 accurate to remain profitable. So the green is the profitable margin, right? And the red is you're negative, you're not profitable, right? So if you have on average a 2-to-1, right? All you have to be is 40% accurate, y'all.
Right.
Right? If you have an average of 3-to-1, so let's say you're risking $10 to make $30 here. If
Mm-hmm.
you can do that on a consistent basis, all you have to be is 30% accurate to
Right.
remain profitable. So
Yes.
we are dispelling the myth that you have to be 90% accurate, 80% accurate,
Yes.
70% accurate. Y'all, statistically, on my portfolios, I'm anywhere from 67 to 78% accurate. Okay? I'm in the high 60s to high 70s. I'm not even 80% accurate, 90% accurate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? That is a myth. So again, it's just about structuring your trades properly. You feel
Right.
me?
Right.
Right.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I do this one? Can I do
Of
this one?
course. Of course.
This
I
is
know I know you wanted to, so it's like go ahead.
this is my favorite topic.
Right.
Learn market structure. Learn market structure. I am here to diffuse a lot of what other traders try to teach. Okay. If you're not trading structure, then you're doing something wrong. A lot of people talk about this block, that block, my block, your block. Let me tell you something. If you're not trading structure, okay, if you're not
Oh my
trading
god.
structure, you're doing something wrong.
Right.
I need people to hear me.
Mm,
All right. So break and retest is one of the oldest and most consistent strategies to trade in any market. It doesn't matter who, what asset class it is. Once you can
right.
trade, once you can identify structure, you can trade stocks, futures, you can trade forex, you can trade crypto. It doesn't matter.
Right.
Okay. They said they just died. It's a
Hey.
simple concept where what was once support becomes resistance. So what goes up on the left comes down on the right. Okay, and then resistance becomes support, and so on and so forth. I taught this in the first class in TTA. It's your fundamental to your success. Once you learn this, you will cut your learning curve in half. History always repeats itself, especially in the market.
Yes. Okay. So we want to show you really quick, right? Just a textbook standard higher highs, higher lows in the market, right? And what market structure looks like. And as you guys can see, right, the market starts at the bottom here, goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it breaks the level, comes back down, and as you can see, the previous higher highs now become the lower highs. The previous higher highs now become the previous lower highs. So it's a
Right,
very simple concept, right? And we have videos now in the back office explaining a lot of this. All right. So
right,
there's no need to go into it in depth now because a lot of it is in the free course. Okay.
correct,
But just know you have to understand this concept. This is like the foundation of your trading.
correct.
Okay. Without this, you have nothing. There's no engine in your car. I'm sorry. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
I'll talk about this one.
Yeah,
So 5% a day is all you need. Okay. Why do you think you need to flip $100 account to $1,000 in one day? And listen, y'all, I'm victim to it too. Y'all know I can compound like crazy. Okay. So I know a thing or two when it comes to flipping a lot of accounts, small accounts to big accounts. I do it regularly. Right. But even with that skill of compounding, what I realized is that I had to slow down and really get meticulous and personal with how I'm compounding. Okay, because I just used to do it to just make money, and I had no intention, I had no trading plan, I had no goal. But
mm-hmm.
once I got very intentional with my compounding, right, it got a lot better. But even so, the accounts that I built the biggest, y'all, have not been when I flipped 2,000 to 20K. It's when I've taken $1,000 or $2,000 and built it slow, doing 3% a day, 5% a day. That was actually the first time how I hit my first six-figure month. I
Mm-hmm.
tell that story all the time, right? I literally just went slow. So yes, flipping and compounding accounts can be fun. We all love the thrill, the euphoria, the adrenaline rush. Come on, I know I'm talking to somebody here.
Yeah.
All right? Like, I know I'm not the only one, okay? But it
Mm-hmm.
will hinder you. Listen to me. It will hinder you in the long run if you have not mastered the basics and the foundation of trading. Okay? Master 5% a day for a month, and I promise you that you will elevate to the next level in your trading career. Because I went from 5 figures to 6 figures like that. Once I grasped this concept alone, that's it. Just this concept.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So once I realized that 5% could easily hit my trading goals, I slowed down my over leveraging and got consistent. And that's why we always use that saying, go slow so you can go fast.
Correct.
Fire. Okay.
Ah, man, this is something that a lot of people struggle with because they don't understand market structure. So scale in on your winners. What does that mean? It means when you find a winning trade, you need to learn to fully maximize it. By getting in on multiple entries, you can compound your account a lot quicker and also mitigate your risk at the same time. So, this is something that you guys are going to learn. It's a technique
Right.
that you will learn when you're in a winning trade. You can, what we like to call, stack positions, but your original position, you're going to move your stop loss. So you're gonna take away the risk and put your risk to break even or in profit. So that means no matter what happens in that trade, the market could turn around, the market could go backwards, backflip, you still will end up in profit. Okay, so squeeze out all of the juice out of every good trade that you take. This is why waiting for the good setups with enough confluence or confirmation is extremely important, right? You don't need to rush the market, right? So once you
Mm-hmm.
have enough confluence, take the damn trade. Now, let me say this. Let me say this real quick. Hold on, hold on.
Go ahead.
Enough confluence don't mean adding, this person over here in this company indicator and
Mm,
this person over here indicator
talk
and
about
trying
it.
to trade smart money with market structure and
Mm.
trying to do, what I'm saying, use the bot over
Uh,
here with what Coach Max and Ryan got going on. That is not
uh,
confluence. Okay, too many of y'all are trying to create a Dragon Ball Z Super Saiyan strategy and it
facts.
doesn't work. Okay, it's not out there. All you need is foundational concepts. All you need to do is be able to learn how to read the chart. All you need to be able to do is show up to the market on time and you will make as much money as you want. They don't want to hear me
I don't
talk.
even want to go to the next slide. I just need to let that set in for a second while I sip my tea.
You
Let
understand
let
me?
let it sizzle your spirit. You feel
You
me?
understand? Because they out here trying to combine, the trading bot with what we got going on, and what I'm saying.
Right.
It's just
And
too
now
much.
they all over the place. Well, it's okay. We got you now.
You
Okay. We
understand?
got y'all now.
They
Number
chart looking
10.
like a weather report. Like I can't read this stuff, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, anybody that send me a chart that look like a weather report, okay, we gonna have a problem, and I'm gonna call you out in TTA. That's it. That's it.
All right. So trust your analysis. Okay. Do I need to say it again? Do we got to say it again? Trust yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you. Trust you. The person through the computer screen who's looking at my light skinned face. You. Trust you. Stop trusting other companies. Stop trusting bots to trade for you. Stop trusting 50 indicators on your chart. Stop trusting all these MLM companies.
Right.
Trust you. When are you going to believe in you? When are you going to go all in on you?
Right.
Do you feel me? Because that's what we had to do. You think I haven't been on bots before? You think I haven't been on 50 different indicators? I've done that. Max has done that. We've been there, done
Hold
that.
on, hold on. I ain't never been on no bot. I ain't never been on no. Oh, Ryan is telling y'all lies now. I ain't never been
Okay,
on no
well,
bot.
no,
I might have
okay,
used
maybe
a
I
couple
did like
indicators back in the day,
four years
but
ago.
but I ain't been on no bot. Okay, no bots over here.
Shout out to USI Tech, BitConnect. What see y'all? OGs know about that.
That's the
Feel me?
back in the day stuff.
Yeah,
That's the back.
yeah,
That's the back in the day
yeah,
stuff. Yeah.
yeah. Anyway, you will never learn if you never lose, right? We constantly tell y'all it's okay to lose. What's not okay is not understanding why you lost.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The master has failed more times than the student has even attempted. That's why I put that statement there, because I really want y'all to understand that me and Max have back tested for so many hours, tens of thousands of hours.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We studied the charts until our eyes were bleeding. Okay. So while y'all are saying, oh, I lost $100 here, I lost $1,000 here, and I put all this chart time, we're looking at you like, what are you talking about? You haven't. You're like 5 months in trading. Like you've only been doing this for 5 months, and you think you're gonna get at such a masterful level that quickly? You haven't put
Mm-hmm.
enough time in, right?
Right.
And a lot of y'all come to us after at the end, like 5-6 months, and then you try to learn the correct way. So
Right.
now you have to unlearn the crap
Mhm.
that you learned before, and then learn what we're gonna teach you.
Right.
You feel me? So just understand that it takes practice, just like anything in life. Learning a new language takes practice, right? And that's the analogy I like to use when you're trying to study the charts and the candlestick patterns. It's a language, okay?
Right.
It's not easy to decipher at times, but the more you do it, the better you'll get. Okay,
Correct.
so win, lose, or draw is all about competence. Let this year's trading be different than last week, y'all. Last
Mhm.
month or last year.
Talk to them.
Each week is a new week to create your own destiny. Okay, never compare yourself to others. Seriously, a lot of y'all on Facebook or IG, and you're seeing other people win, or they're in chats and they have a $500 day, $1,000 day. Who
Mm-hmm.
cares?
Mm-hmm.
Half of them demo flexing anyway.
They demo like
Let's
literally.
talk. Half these people demo flexing anyway. Half
Some
of
of them
them
ain't never
lose the
seen a
money, ain't
live
even
account and they
withdrawing.
ain't
Like,
seen a
come
live account in their life.
yo, it doesn't even make sense. But you over there worry about everybody else.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So just remember it's your trading. You're gonna move at your own pace. And just know that we're here to help you.
Correct.
All right. So let's just go over the 10 trade commands so you guys have the full list. Okay. Number one, always follow your trading plan. Number two, always respect the market at all times. Number three, do not overtrade. That's just said not. Okay. Number four, cut your losses quickly. Number five, discipline over profits. Okay. Number six, take good risk to reward trades. That's what RR is, right? Risk
Mm-hmm.
to rewards. Number seven, learn market structure and break and retest. We talk about that all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Number eight, 5% a day is all you need. It will change your life. I'm literally going to show y'all in a second a website that you can use to uh, make your trading plan and map out your 5% a day and what that can do for you. Okay. Number nine, scale your winners. Okay. And lastly, number 10, trust your own analysis. Whether you win or you lose, bank on you. Don't bank on Max. Don't bank on me. Don't bank on Sesame Street, okay? Or Nathaniel from down the block, or another MLM company. Bank on yourself,
Right.
okay? Because that's the only way that you're gonna learn is learning from your own mistakes. If you taking signals from me and Max all day, every day, and we win most of them and then lose some of them, are you even learning? Yes or no?
Nope.
Exactly. So trust yourself, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And that's it. We can go to.
Right. When you done, I want to share my screen real quick.
Okay. Go ahead, you can share your screen.
No, go ahead. Do the compound calculator. You already there?
Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll show it really quick, and then
Mm-hmm.
can go. You can take it over. So, what I want to show y'all real quick, y'all. All right. So I'm going to. It's called compounddaily.com/calculator. Okay, and we will post it in TTA for y'all. All right. Now, what this does, and this is how I actually created my first ever trade plan. So this isn't a perfect website, but just so you can understand the numbers. Okay. Let's just say you start with $1,000 in your account. Okay. And so we're going to put initial purchase amount 1,000. And you have to create a goal for yourself. All right. What do you want to aim to make a day? 2%, 3%, 5%, 10%? Okay. Let's just say you are aiming to do 5%, which again, right? That was in the 10 commandments, right? 5% a day is all you need. Okay, let's stick with that. 5%. Okay? Now, let's do it for, let's say, 50 trades. So it says length of term in days, but really every day is like every trade. Okay? So all you have to do is input 50. Okay? Then go to 100%. Okay? Daily reinvest. Include weekends. No, unless you're trading crypto. Okay? You hit calculate now. And your $1,000 would literally be $11,000 after 50 trades. Now,
Mm.
I want you to think about this, y'all. Is it really hard to do 50 trades? Like, I know it may sound like a lot, right? But is it really hard? Well, it depends. If you're trading every session or you're trading once a day, sometimes some of y'all trade 2 times a day. Sometimes y'all do 2 or 3 trades at the same session, right? So you're taking 2, 3 trades all at once in a session, right?
Right.
So do the math on that. It's not hard to do 50 trades in a month.
Mm-mm.
Trust me. Right, y'all? Okay. So let's look at the numbers really quick. We started at 1,000, right? And then the first day we made $50. That's our goal. Boom. Second day we made $52. Third day 55. By the 20th day we making $100 a day, $126, right? By the 30th trade, we're making $200 a day on a $1,000 account. And this is safely, effectively, and also protecting your account at the same time. Okay, this is exercising that discipline. And if you can't exercise this discipline, y'all, what I encourage y'all to do is to start exercising discipline in some other area of your life. Like you have to, it has to somehow intertwine, right? Start working out a little bit, start just stretching, start just eating a little healthier. You don't have to do anything crazy, just something that's outside your comfort zone that's going to better yourself.
Mm.
And that will help you keep you on track with trading as well and holding yourself to this trading plan. Okay. So again, by the 40th trade, you're making $300 a day. Again, you started with $100, making $300 a trade almost, right? Not bad. By the 50th trade, you're making $500 a trade. Okay. Now, granted, this is a perfect situation and you're not losing any money because let's be real, you're going to lose or have losing trades along the way, right? So it's not going to be super perfect like this. But there's also going to be days where, trust me, you're going to do more than 5%. There'll be
Right.
days where you make 7%, 8%, 10%,
Yep.
right? So this is just a ballpark if you in the medium do like 5% a day, right? As an average.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? But you can do way more than this. Y'all know that, right? So it's I'm just showing you the possibility, right?
Mm.
Compound interest. Albert Einstein said it's the eighth wonder of the world, understanding compound interest.
It is.
Okay? Seriously. All right. So that's it about that, y'all. Again, we'll post that in TTA for you guys so you can just kind of get a good understanding for your goals and what you want to achieve with your trading accounts. And you can go ahead, Max.
All right, y'all. Drop some fire emojis in the chat for Ryan, giving y'all that major sauce. As traders, like there's not really a lot of people I know that can compound like Ryan. Like he'll take like 15 trades, you know what I'm
Oh
saying,
well,
at one time.
facts.
And I'll take like two. We'll get to the same goal, but he just does it in a more intense fashion, and I totally respect that about him. So I definitely want to give y'all just a little bit more, because there's some people on the line that really don't know what we do,
Right.
right? So I want to show y'all some nuggets, show y'all something that Ryan did just a little bit ago, just a couple days ago, y'all. I want to show y'all what he means by scaling in. Okay, what he
Facts.
means by compounding. Can y'all
See,
see my screen?
I even know
Let's.
you was gonna do this.
Oh, see, we ready at all times. We ready, right? I want to show y'all our trades. So this is a trade that Ryan posted, and it literally, I'm gonna show y'all. This is literally 2 hours worth of work. I want y'all to see this. This is somebody's salary, y'all. Somebody minimum wage salary right here.
Right.
Right, he was trading AUDUSD, which is not a fast moving pair, but he
Mm.
took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entries. So he he
There's a
lasted.
little more than that if you go down.
Right. So he was scaling in on this trade, and as y'all can see, these are big trades, right? Then he took a few entries on gold. Then he went in on NAS, and then he came back to AU. He's not trading a lot of pairs. He just basically watching the structure of the pairs that he was on, and
Right.
he was able to compound, right? Making obviously way more. I think it was like 30% you did on the account, something like
Mm-hmm.
that.
Mm-hmm.
Making way more than what his daily goal was. But we're showing you, as long as you can pay attention to structure, you can kind of see how to get there. So this is Ryan's more recent trade. You guys see the date, March the 2nd, 2022. That's 4 days ago. Yes, he definitely is the GOAT, period. Right? Who's saying this is fake? Wait,
I
hold
don't
on,
care. No,
hold on.
they not saying it. They
Okay, because I'll be ready with the smoke, the fire, the flames. Okay, now we moving on. Now on our website, there is a section called Our Results, and y'all can see a lot of our results. Y'all know that Ryan and I met at a proprietary trading firm, but y'all are
right.
familiar. This is way before FTMO was popular, but I just did this like a couple months ago. You guys literally took 14 trades on the FTMO account, passed it at 100%. Now I'm not bragging.
That
I'm just saying there's a lot of traders out here.
you're bragging, but it's you feel me. You're bragging, but it's like you need to at this point
There's a lot
because
of traders out here that just they don't know how. So when I
facts.
want y'all to understand who it is that you're learning from, I love that on our website that we have our entries, so you can see on the chart exactly how we were able to get into these trades on structure. You guys, literally, this is a risk-free trade. At
Mm-hmm.
this point, you just in profit, right? And this
Mm-hmm.
is what Ryan and I do in the market. Like it's just there, y'all. 5K days, light work. What are we doing? Trade about to slap TP. What are we doing? You understand what I'm saying? All day, every single day, y'all. This is regular. This is regular for us. Now, for some of y'all, I want y'all to keep it real with yourself, right? I want you to start thinking, how long does it take me? How long would it take me to make $3,200, whether it be on my job or whatever my other source of income is?
Right.
How long would it take me to make $3,200? I want y'all to know that this right here took me maybe 2 or 3 hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours. You understand what
That's
used to
someone's
take
monthly check right there.
monthly check, y'all? I need people to open up their eyes and understand who's really teaching them how to trade. You understand what I'm saying? So we're not sitting here telling you to take us seriously, but we're telling you to take yourself
Mm.
seriously. Y'all understand what I'm saying? So we're excited about everything that's going on here. Y'all go ahead and see. Y'all follow me and Ryan on Instagram. We surely do appreciate you guys. I want y'all to go ahead and follow the YouTube channel for TTA. I'm very, very excited about that. I hope that y'all enjoyed this exclusive masterclass from me and Ryan. We're going to do more of these, you guys. Once the community continues to grow, we're definitely going to do more classes like this. And I don't know. I feel like I should get on a chart. I'm thinking like, should I get on charts? But
You're trying to get spicy
I
now.
know y'all got stuff to do. It's Sunday night. I know y'all got stuff to do, so I'm trying to chill. You know what I'm saying? Like, but like I not sure if I'm trying to get y'all too much sauce on a Sunday. But I do want y'all to know that I'm about to drop some sauce in TTA. There is a section inside TTA called weekly. I just added it because I'm about to just give y'all my charts. If people not in TTA, I don't know what to tell them. But there is a section inside TTA, you guys, that I just added under topics. And it is called weekly analysis. Yeah, weekly analysis. So I'm going to be dropping my personal charts, showing y'all what direction I'm about to take on certain pairs. Okay, so my trading plan and your trading plan may not look the same. For my trading plan, I have Euro odd, GJGU, Bitcoin, and gold. This is the pairs that I look at. So I'll go in there and pretty much drop the screenshot or the snapshot of my God, look at Euro odd. The snapshot of what's going on. All the pairs seem bearish right now. Look at this. GJ, I was just looking at GU.
Look
at this.
Look at the zones you got. Oh, that looks.
Oh, so yeah. Nice. My charts are sexy. What you mean?
So clean.
This is. You understand me? On my BCC, I know it's off it's done slapped my key levels and everything like that. I'm broken structure. Gold is hitting. Gold will probably hit 2,000. I'm gonna see if gold gonna hit this new high. Look at, first of all, it's the breakout of the channel for me. You understand? Let me go to the daily. It's the breakout for me because I definitely had this future trend line marked. Hope somebody was paying attention. You understand what I'm saying? So there's a certain way that I mark my charts and that I read things. But the way that gold just broke out, gold is bullish and everything else is bearish. That's usually a good time to trade. I'm gonna drop some of my stuff for y'all. Let y'all know where I feel like price is headed. Okay, GU. I love the structure. It's beautiful. GJ. So I'll give y'all some of my sentiments underneath this topic, weekly analysis. So y'all can look forward to me dropping my charts and stuff like that. I see somebody already posted in there, but when I drop it, y'all pay attention. All right. With that being said, I see y'all on the platform. I'm super excited. I hope y'all enjoyed this class. I'm about to drop the commercial of the official commercial of TTA. Let's go.
Okay.
Don't forget to teach y'all about a trading plan. Oh no, don't worry about that. Also, I am going to teach another basic training on Tuesday at 8 p.m. All right. If you are not yet inside the Trade Authority, you want to get in there. The website is right here. Hold on. Okay. TradeAuthority.com, or you can go to community.thetradeauthority.com. But you could just go here, y'all. Just go to TradeAuthority.com and get inside the community. All right. And let me tell y'all, this is our first masterclass. The next one going to be a lot more fire. So the more people in our community, the more fire the training gets. That's just how this works.
Facts.
Okay. The more people here, the more fire. So we gave y'all little 10 commandments, but the next time we might give y'all market structure. The next time we might give y'all trading plans. The next time I might give y'all some of my secret swing trading sauce. 8 o'clock on Tuesday, that's my time. You guys will get me every Tuesday at 8. That's like my designated time to teach. Y'all will always get me at that time. Okay.
All we're asking y'all is that, as in response to what we're doing, is to just invite some people. Okay, that's all it. Right. That's why we're giving to you for free. We're gonna give you everything for free.
Other coaches could never.
Okay.
Period.
Like we have over 1,800 people. Y'all can't even see my phone, but it says 1,800 people right now.
Let's go.
Okay? 1,800. It's 1,800 people right now in TTA, and we really haven't launched at all. Okay, and it's because of y'all. We were like, yeah, 1,000 people, let's do a masterclass. Y'all blew past that
Correct.
like
Um,
crazy.
I want to give you guys. They want the commercial, so I'm gonna upload the commercial to YouTube, right now. Actually, let me switch my account. I see the subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We appreciate it. I'm gonna
Yes, we have a
upload the
YouTube
commercial
coming up, y'all.
right
Everything.
now. Right now. Oh, me and Ryan got something to tell y'all. I'm not gonna tell them. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna
Yeah,
wait.
hold on, wait, what?
I'm gonna wait.
What do you, yo? You
Another
can't be
time.
on here surprising me, okay? Surprise the students. Don't surprise me, dog.
We
Y'all see
already
this? You see
talked
how she
about
treats me? You see how she treats me, y'all? She's like, oh, about the. We
this.
didn't discuss this, Max.
We did. We definitely did. Let me see. All right. I'm uploading the video right now. They said spill the tea and stop playing. Yes, I'm about to post it right now. I'm about to post it right now. Hold on. The Trade Authority.
I'm really sipping tea. That's the funny part.
Yeah. Spill the tea. All right. All right. Copy.
This I
Next.
gotta tell
Next.
us.
Next.
Let's
Public.
see.
Publish.
We're gonna do that eventually, Derek. We're gonna have sessions with y'all, trading live. We're gonna have that in the future. Just y'all
We
wait.
building the community right now, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
And Ryan and I, here goes the link for the this is the link for the actual, what you call it, the sizzle video. It's almost done. The commercial. It's almost done. You bragging. Why does Ryan look like he's singing in a commercial? What y'all not gonna do is come on here and roast Ryan. Yeah, but we are definitely gonna live trade. The only thing is like this, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So Ryan is more of a scalper. I'm more of a swing trader. So y'all probably benefit more taking my charts than me actually trading live. Even though I can, you know what I'm saying? I can day trade with y'all. It's not a problem, but you know. Please check my messages. You messaged me. Let's see who messaged.
Let me see. Oh, you guys want to because
Yes, I can fix that a little bit later. No, we're not teaching at the same time on Tuesday. Ryan adjusted his schedule because y'all was mad, and we're not doing that no more.
we
Tuesday
got
is
it together, y'all. Don't worry.
right.
We
All
got it
right. Awesome. All right, we love y'all. Ryan told me not to tell y'all the secret, so I'll tell y'all another time. Sorry.
Okay, just tell the secret.
I'm not gonna tell them. You told me not to. It's all right.
Don't blame it on me. Now
He
the students
told
will
me
get mad at me.
he
The
told me
hell?
not to, so I'm not going to do it.
Nah. Don't blame me. Just say you
Um,
don't want to.
Fidencia, I changed from scalping to swing. Well, I trade all three styles. I can scalp, I can intraday, I can swing trade. But the thing is, like for my lifestyle and what I'm trying to do in my life right now, I go to the gym now. I'm doing like running other businesses. I have a women's mentorship. I'm running so many different things. You know what I'm saying? There's like so much going on. So that's why I started swing trading. And I love it.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it.
Max is actually really good at swing trading, y'all. That's
Mm-hmm.
like her specialty now. So, she started off doing 20 pips and dip and scalping / intraday trading, but she's really elevated and acclimated to a more swing trade style, which I think is really dope.
Mm-hmm.
Because now you're really going to get the best of everything.
Right.
Whether you're a scalper, intraday trader like me, or more so maybe an intraday swing trader like Max, because that's kind of what she is more now. Like, you're going to get the best of both worlds. Right?
Right.
Not everyone can sit there and watch charts all day or wants to be in the market looking at charts. Some people just want to take a trade
Right.
and look at it tomorrow or the next day.
Next day, next week. something like that.
You
Yeah.
feel me? Like,
You
and that's
know,
understandable.
I like to set my charts, go shopping, go to the mall, go get my nails done or something. Like, I don't even want to be on the charts all day. So, I just kind of transition into different. All right, y'all begging for it. Okay, cool. So there will be a trade authority conference coming up before the end of the summer. Just letting y'all know from now. There will be a trade authority conference coming up before the end of summer. We will let you know exactly when. We will let you know exactly where. But I'm just letting y'all know to get y'all coins ready, because what y'all think I did last week is going to be somebody say double double. Somebody say double double. We are doing something crazy. We're doing something insane. Some of y'all gonna have to take some time off of work. I'm not gonna tell you how long. We can add in some extra days. All right, I'm not gonna say no more. All right, that's it.
Mm-hmm. I'm just letting y'all know we got way more coming out for y'all.
Way more.
Okay, this is just the beginning. This is just a little teaser. Okay, hopefully this helped you get your mindset right and you took a little tips and tricks from what we're teaching.
Right.
But once we really start diving into the charts, which you can, because there's a lot of free content in the back already, but there's
Right.
going to be a lot more. So,
Right. So with that being said, y'all, all right, I gotta go. I have other meetings I have to attend to. We'll let y'all know the dates. We'll let y'all know the dates. The kid session.
okay,
So children can actually join the platform now.
right.
A lot of the beginner content is geared for them as well. Like I had told you guys, there will be a program that I'm kind of cultivating right now called the Trade Authority Buddy Pass, which will be one parent and one child can share an account and actually get the training that they need to trade. Right. So I'm kind of, working that curriculum at the moment. Okay. So, with that being said, we will see y'all next time. Love you guys.
Okay, see you guys.
See y'all.